In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set layout size to A3 in AutoCAD. Let's start by moving into the right space. Down at the bottom of your AutoCAD window, switch from model to the layout you want to use. Layouts are where you prepare your drawing for printing on a specific sheet, so make sure you're on the correct layout tab before making changes. If you have multiple layouts, click the one you want to update so the sheet you see on screen is the one that will get the new size. Next, open the plot window. The quickest way is to type plot in the command line and press enter. If you prefer a shortcut, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Both methods open the same plot dialog, which is where all the printing and paper settings live. Inside the plot window, find the paper size drop-down. Click it to see the list of available sizes. From that list, select A3. Depending on your setup, it may appear as ISO A3 or show dimensions like 420 by 297 millimeters. That's the standard A3 size. Selecting A3 here tells AutoCAD what size sheet this layout will use, so the printable area and margins are set correctly for that paper. With A3 selected, click Apply to Layout. This is important. Apply to Layout saves the paper size to this specific layout without sending anything to the printer. It locks in A3 as the sheet size for that tab, so the next time you open this layout, it will already be set. If you were to click OK instead, AutoCAD would try to start plotting immediately, which isn't what we want right now. Apply to Layout commits the change and keeps you in control. A quick note on what you're seeing. After applying, the white sheet in your layout represents an A3 page. The dashed boundary indicates the printable area based on your current device's margins. Your geometry won't change. Only the sheet size and print boundary do. That makes it easier to scale viewports and arrange content confidently, knowing it fits an A3 sheet. If you don't see A3 in the list, it usually means the currently selected plot device doesn't support that size. In many offices, A3 is widely supported, but device lists can vary. Also remember that A3 can be used in portrait or landscape, which you can adjust later based on how your drawing fits best. And that's it. You've set your layout size to A3 by opening the plot window, choosing A3 from the paper size dropdown, and clicking Apply to Layout. You're ready to position your content and proceed with plotting whenever you're ready.